Good afternoon, Rob Parker here from Peach Business Software. I just wanted to show you a video in regard to bulk supplier payment. A few customers have been asking, so it's a new feature in V12 that we've just released. You'll see it coming to you in the next week or two. So let me just take you through that. So from the General Ledger menu, you can go to bulk pay invoices. So this is going to list all the invoices in a date range. So I'll select the date range, displays all the invoices. So you've got 3 invoices there for supplier 5, 1 for 7, 1 for 8, 1 for 9. And you can see here that there's some tick boxes. It's going to present the payments for you in the bank rec since it's internet banking. It's giving you some information there about how many of your suppliers may be missing some information to be able to validate these transfers. You can unpay all, or you can pay all. You can unpay some of them if you don't want to pay them. And also if you've got a negative there which comes to a negative total, you'll have to just untick that until you get another invoice to that supplier. I'll put the user here, just throw in test. Okay, and we're pretty much ready to go. So suppliers 4 of 28, invoices 6 of 103. Okay, update, and it's asking if you want to pay 3 suppliers for 5 invoices, the total amount. I'll just confirm that. Okay, and there you go, the suppliers have been paid in Peach Software. So just note the batch number range, because if you're doing more than one of these a day, you'll need to use the batch number to filter which email, which remittance advices you're going to send out. So we'll close that now, and we'll go to bulk email invoices, remittance advices, sorry. So remittance advice, the date range, which is the date of the transaction you've just done, display, and there you have it. It's going to email out 1 remittance advice for each of those suppliers detailing what you've paid. Now you can again choose to deselect or select which suppliers you want to send it to. You can also put the remittance advices if you wish, but that's ready to go. So that's today's date, and from batch to batch. Like I said, if you're doing an interdate range, you can use your batch numbers to filter, and ready to go. So I'll just start. Oh, I haven't got a message. Alright, so we can insert a message. We can use a default message there. So there's the default message. It's got some tags in it there to put in the actual name, the amount paid, etc. And we can accept that. We can make our own message if we like. If you want more information on making messages, just click on the info tab there. And you can see what tags we use to put in other information. I'm happy with that. So I'll go OK. The message is in there now. You can also change the subject line if you wish, and start. Now my database isn't a real database, so I don't have real email addresses, so these emails are just going to fail. There we go, all done. So now that's sent out the remittance advices. The next thing to do now is to pay it in the bank. So let's get out of here. Go to the generate ABA file, and here again we put in the date of the transaction we've done, and again you can put in the from and to batch. So we'll just click display, and there's the file that's going to be created to go through to the bank. It's going to create what they call the ABA file. So let's just go through and do that now. So generate. It's going to, so it's 3 of 4. Total ABA value 1886, and we're just going to generate that. Now once it generates, it'll actually open up the folder where the file is contained. Now just let me show you that, because there's a nice easy shortcut to the way of finding that. So there it is there. All you need to do is copy it. So once you've got it highlighted, Control C, and now when you go to the banking software and it asks you where to find the file, you can just paste that in. So let's go there. I'll just show you what I've got in my banking. my experience. I found the way to import the ABA file through funds transfer, new multiple funds transfer. I select by importing a direct file, and I choose the file, and then that's where you can paste in what I've just copied from the folder, and that'll find the file easily for you. And you can go here, and once I've processed the ABA file and tried to pay, it's come up with a couple of errors. I found these errors very helpful and quite well explained. So any problems such as the wrong account format or the wrong from account or to account, or this one here, your transfer can't be earlier than today's date. Of course, because it's a demo, it's dated back in time, so that's why I'm getting that error. But I think you'll find that quite easy to use, and these explanations quite easy to solve. But if you have any problems, please feel free to call Peach Software Support as usual, and we can be of some assistance to you. But there you have it. Now you can pay all your suppliers in just a few moments. Thanks for watching, and good luck with that.